my name is Cherish and I work in the kitchen at Camp Cuyamaca. Today I'm going to walk you through on how to make your own homemade healthy granola bars in the comfort of your own kitchen. We are going to start with a cup of honey, a cup of peanut butter, 4 cups of oats, a cup of dried fruit. You can add anything to these granola bars that you want. I'm just doing the dried fruit because we're making it a healthy granola bar today. First, we're going to start with putting the honey and the peanut butter in a microwave safe bowl, because you're going to heat the peanut butter and honey up together in 20-second increments. And that way you're not making it super duper hot all at once, and you're going to warm it up slowly. All right, now that the honey and the peanut butter is all warm, we're gonna mix it all together and see how it's nice and smooth. All right, now Delilah here is gonna take our 4 cups of granola and she is going to dump it in this bowl. Awesome. And now the 1 cup of dry fruit. Great. And then we're gonna add our peanut butter and our honey. And we're gonna mix it all together. You wanna make sure that everything, all the oats, are covered with the honey and the peanut butter. If you don't cover it, it will not stick together and it will not make a granola bar. It'll make a dry granola bar. And what you really want is for everything to form together and make a bar. So now that that is all mixed, we are going to, I have a small sheet pan that I lined with parchment paper, and the reason why is so that it doesn't get stuck to the sheet pan. And we are going to dump it in our sheet pan that is lined with the parchment paper. Make sure you get everything out of the bowl. You don't want to miss not one thing because it's so tasty and it's going to be so good, and you don't want to miss any of the ingredients. All right. Now that that's all in there, we are going to press it down. We're going to fill this whole sheet pan. And you want to compact it so that it all is one level. All right, so once that's done, you get everything. You don't want to forget that. Once that's done, just go like that. Take any kind of saran wrap you have, or foil, either one. happen to have this press and seal, it'll do the same job that Saran wrap does. Doesn't want to work for me today. Cooperate. And then you wrap it. And then you're going to put this in the refrigerator. And you can either do it overnight so that you have these treats for the next day, or you can leave it in the refrigerator until it's completely firm. And once you put it in the refrigerator, this is what it looks like when it is firm. You can also make these cool little bite-sized balls instead of a granola bar if you're not wanting a huge bar to eat. You can also do that. And then what you're gonna do next is you're gonna take a knife. Make sure your parents are with you when you're done doing this. And you're going to cut down. And here you go. Your own homemade granola bar.
Granola bar.
All right, you guys have a wonderful day. I hope that you can have fun in the kitchen with your parents or your brothers or sisters making these homemade granola bars. You guys have a wonderful day and stay safe.